Hello and welcome to Reading with Evelyn. What's your favorite game to play with your friends? My favorite game is hide and seek. Do you want to play a game with Big Bird? Then let's read together and play. Big Bird Says by Sharon Lerner, illustrated by Mathieu. I know a game called Big Bird Says. I'd like to play with you. Just follow me and read along. I'll tell you what to do. Big Bird says to touch your nose. Shut your eyes, then touch your toes. Touch the top of someone's head. Touch someone who is in bed. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Put on your shoe and tie your lace. Big Bird says to touch the floor. Put on your coat. Go out the door. Pull a wagon. Bounce a ball. Walk on stilts 5 feet tall. Find a girl, then a boy. Share your very favorite toy. Big Bird says to catch a goose. Find someone whose tooth is loose. Find something that makes you lucky. Touch something you think is yucky. Pat a dog, then pat a cat. Kiss someone who wears a hat. Big Bird says to say bow wow. Quack like a duck, moo like a cow. Jump way up high and flap your wing. Stand on your head and start to sing. Draw a picture of a clown. Now do the same thing upside down. Touch your elbow, then your knee. I'll tickle you, you tickle me. I'd love to play some more with you, but now you tell me what to do. That was so much fun! Now let's take a look at the big words from this book. Touch. 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 Face. 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 Shoe. 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 Pull. 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 Share. 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 Lucky. 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 Wonderful job! See you guys again! Goodbye!